In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to quickly migrate your existing content from Google Docs into Document360. Let's start with a sample article created in Google Docs. This document includes bullet points, images, and standard formatting. To begin, download the file from Google Docs. For this example, we'll export it as a PDF. Now, head over to your Document360 project. Click Create, go to Article and select Import Document. Drag and drop or click Upload from my device and select your PDF file. Next, choose your import type, either a single article or multiple articles, depending on how you want your content structured. You can also customize the article title and select the appropriate category for organization. Additionally, all images are automatically stored in Document360's Drive, making them easy to manage. Once everything is set, click Import. Your article will be uploaded successfully, and you'll see that all key elements, including formatting, bullet points, and images, have been preserved. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to bring your Google Docs content into Document360 and start building a more organized, professional knowledge base.